What's up, you guys? It's another day. This is the first day Randy has the Evo. So the first thing he wanted to do after talking about it all night is to go get a quote on the dentless auto repair. And it's so cold out here. It's literally like 30 degrees out here. So you can see in detail here, like, you know, there's just dents everywhere. The whole car is like that. It's a really beautiful Evo. I mean, like we said, this is a 2015 Evo. It literally only has 20,000 miles on it.
So the goal today is to actually find out what we're gonna actually do with this hail damage on this car. So we're trying to get a quote right now, see exactly what it's gonna cost to repair the hail damage. Because to me, that's the most important thing, is getting the hail damage off this car.
Yeah,
we just gotta get it clean first.
So ready. Because everything else is mint. Even the banner looks good on there right now.
And if we bought the car like that, basically it was like in a hailstorm, so the car all over in the vehicle. So we're not looking to repair the hood because we're just gonna buy a new hood. But everything else on the car that has hail damage, including the top.
To email you a copy of the video, would that be okay?
Yeah, that's absolutely fine.
What's it?
How you like your Evo, Mr. Guy?
What do you think? It's an Evo. Is that a question?
What do you mean? We have a Subi too.
Yeah, that's not really a...
All right, you guys. If any of you guys want to buy a Subi, it's for sale, baby.
That's messed up.
It's not looking good.
We just got a quote back from those guys, very cheap. How much was it, Randy?
Just only $11,000.
Yeah, just $11,000 and we're good. All the dents are gone. What kind of shit drugs are you on? I could literally pay like $3,000 more and buy another Evo. Another 10. These guys must be on drugs. So we're on our way to another place right now. See if we can get a better quote. I think we could get a better quote at a junkyard. Yeah, so we got lost. We're like by some train. And this road looks like it goes to nowhere. Randy's freaking out. He doesn't know where we are. I don't know where we are. There's gotta be an outlet somewhere to this road. It's just like, well, Randy said this is like where someone kills you. This is like the place you get killed. It is snowing, and it's snowing a lot. So we went, got a bunch of quotes. Everything is like 11,000, 5,000. So I think we're just gonna have our own guy do it. We're just gonna do, just have the whole thing repainted. Obviously just do Bondo and stuff, but I need to get a drink. Green one, huh? This Mr. Evo guy. Where you got an Evo from, man?
It's a long story.
Yeah, do me a favor. When you get a second, I want you to check out the Evo and the Spider and make sure everything's copacetic.
Evo? Where'd you get an Evo from?
Well, it's a long story.
What's up, you guys? We're doing a lot of Evo stuff today. Right now we're over at one of our partners, Rick's Muffler, one of the coolest guys. So we're getting a quote on an exhaust, just something simple for now. We don't want to do a full exhaust, just probably just a muffler delete for his Evo. And then we're going to find out how much it's going to be for all the hail damage again. We're going to get more quotes today, so let's get to it. You want to run it? Seems to me like you've been talking a lot of shit. Let's go. Now or never.
Never.
$1 million quarter mile.
No, we gotta do that, all of us.
Yeah.
One day, like live job.
Only live once.
We need the walkie-talkie.
I know, man. Caesar is really cool. He said he wants to just get us a really good quote on getting all the dents repaired. So we're gonna go there and get a quote real quick just to see, because yesterday our quotes were bad. Like, get a new hood, get the roof fixed, and then we'll just do the doors and the trunk. Like, that's it. It's done. Where's the quarter panel fender? But I mean, other than that, dude, the car's like it's really nice.
Yeah, I saw this guy the other day. He saw me taking pictures in that corner. He said, wow, it has hail damage, but the car just had character.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're gonna eat here at Tokyo. This is your first time, Mr. Guy. How do you feel? What do you think? Okay, this chick right here thinks this is better than teppanyaki. She is on drugs, y'all.
I just need one night, yeah. Shorty, let me show you like I was your best.